10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap.
Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat as well. Real quick, if you guys want to continue trading with the community, make sure you guys jump on the Discord. It's a public Discord now. It's in the pinned message. Hope you guys see it. Low man too. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning. That's for you guys. It's a treat for you guys. I just feel like it's time. It's time. Good morning, guys. Good morning. What a day, Friday. I hope you guys survived Friday because that is a wild looking day. As you guys know, I took my day off. Enjoyed a small little break. Can you believe it? We're 1 week away from Christmas. That's crazy. I can't believe it. This year flew by. No news today, no news tomorrow. Wednesday, we have news at 10 a.m. Thursday, we have news at 8:30 a.m. And Friday, we have news at 8:30 a.m. and also 10 a.m. The big news, Thursday is pretty good. 8:30 is probably your biggest news of the week. 8:30 on Friday, core PCE price index. Probably your biggest news. Good morning, guys. Mike G, Christmas gift that keeps on giving. Black Light Gypsy, so happy I can spend for. Oh, that's a little bit scary. That's like what's that movie called? Shining feels there. Happy camper. Good morning. Kellyanne, I don't see the Discord link. Is it not in there? It should be a pin message. I think Kellyanne is official first person jumping onto the Discord. Listen, I see the poll, but not the link anymore. Is it the, it should be in the pinned message. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Poll is blocking the link. Get that poll out of here. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. If you guys jump to Discord, then yeah, welcome. That's for you guys. Seriously, you guys can just continue trading there, continue talking nonsense. I'm gonna say right now, it's not gonna be very regulated. It's really gonna be a public forum for you guys. So I'm just saying, if there's things that are said that may offend you, just know the First Amendment is a beautiful thing. All right, guys. Let's look over Friday. You can tell by the first 5 bars of the day that it's most likely going to be a choppy day. I know I kind of say that loosely and kind of casually, but it's true. It's really true. You got to really consider the first couple bars to see the texture or the character of the day's market, and this kind of give you a hint that we're probably not going to trend very far. So you have like one push up and one more push up here, then a double top, and then lower highs here. And with this reversal, you know this is a lower high with that reversal here. It could go higher, of course, but technically this is a lower high, especially before the next pivot up is you already made a lower low, so definitely it's a lower high. And so, right, this confirms a lower high once you have this push up here. I hope that makes sense, right? Because you made a new low and then another push up here, showing the pivot here, this being the pivot. And yeah, so that gives you your confirmation that this is a lower high. If that's not clear, let me know. And then you got a second entry short, which is classic. Second entry short here just pushes all the way down. But again, you're not thinking trending, right? You're not thinking of a trending day. And then now you got this chop here with multiple bottoms here, and you come right back up, come back down. So just a crazy trading day. It's very difficult, I think. But at the same time, it's very easy. If you have a wide stop, if you're trading micros, you can have a wide stop and place it anywhere. Put any trade anywhere. Have a wide enough stop. You can probably make money or at least come up break even. Pretty much any part of the day. Even if you bought here, right? If you bought the high right here, you could come up break even if you had a wide enough stop. Or if it come out here with a double top, which a lot of people try to do, right? Scale in, double top here, coming off the 20 MA, scaling, double. Scaling in, triple top, or a triple top here essentially, and then coming out. Yeah, 2000 tick chart is trash as usual. Complete trash. Daily chart, doji day inside bar. It might be a good day to trade Big Mama today, actually. Might be one of those Big Mama days. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Kellyanne thinks it's gonna be a range day today. Inertia usually continues, but you got an OI pattern on a strong uptrend. Most likely, if you break this inside bar, this is a daily chart, by the way.
Tick trap.
If you break this inside bar, then it's gonna be it could probably launch off. I think. I know it looks overextended, but trust me, when you have a trend like this, there's just almost nothing stopping it. So if we break the previous highs and lows, we're probably going to move. We're most likely going to move, but we'll see. Christmas trading this week is technically not really, actually it's a 4-day week. Is it a 4-day week trading? It could be a holidays. A lot of people take holidays starting from probably this week into next week. I know Mac stops posting after for the first 2 weeks or last 2 weeks of the year. Takes a little break for himself. I feel like I can't take a break because I'm not profitable yet. Honestly, this might be a good time to practice your trading range trading skills. But usually, again, first 5 bars on the 5-minute chart will kind of give you what today might be. You see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars. Huge move down, like huge move. But really, at the end of the day, what really happens? You pretty much come out, you know, around where you opened. This is where you opened. This is where you closed. You know, you got about like 4 or 5 points away from those two. That's the day before, right? First 5 bars is what you got to look at. FOMC day, kind of an exception on FOMC day. First 5 bars on this day is not really overlapping, so you can kind of suspect maybe trend day. Ended up being a super monster bull trend day that day. The first 5 bars kind of give you an idea of what's happening. First 5 bars here, pretty choppy, and I would say it's pretty choppy pretty much the whole day. It does end up kind of near its high, but pretty much the price action was very choppy. At least you can think that this box here was your trading range for a long time until it finally breaks out with this ridiculous reversal bull bar, which could have changed the character of the day, right? With this big outside bar touching the 20 MA and ending near its high. That's why I pay attention to the first 5 bars. And also the encyclopedia. Markets open. I'm thinking Big Mama might be pretty good today if we actually trigger Big Mama. Starting the day with a gap up.
10,000 tick trap.
So in the encyclopedia, you go to the gap up section. And under the gap up section, you have common outcomes. The common outcomes are you get a gap up, and then you get a double bottom of some sort, continues up, you get a wedge bottom, 3 pushes down. Common outcomes, this goes up, this comes back down, creates some sort of double bottom of some sort, pushes up, or 3 pushes down, creating a wedge of some sort, pushes up, probably waiting for the 20 MA to catch up. That's if it continues the same direction as the gap. But it could also do something like this. Double top, come down, or a wedge top, come down. These are the common things that happen. Let's wait for this bar to finish. I'm not going to look at the 2000 tick chart because I know it's going to be trash. At least I'm not going to bring it up. I always have it on my screen, but I'm not going to bring it up here. Right now, we're just waiting. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back, everybody. Make sure you scalp that like button. Listen, sometimes when you are in a hole, it's time to take a break and quit digging it deeper. My biz, you may have already. Do I think it's gonna be low volume today? Not if we break the previous high or low. Technically, we already broke the high right on the 5-minute chart. We opened up above the high. You can hard to see because there's numbers in the way, but there is a line here signifying that the high of the day was basically here on Friday. We actually opened above it. Daily chart, yeah, we're still in there. I'm gonna wait for the first 5 bars. YL market open, and my colon thinks it's time to really. YL, I believe this is not your first time talking about your bowel movements. Yeah, you might. You have some issues over there. This first bar might be a doji here. We'll wait to find out. Could be an opening reversal as well. This is the high of last week. Why else? It's the Yakult I'm taking. I guess it's a good thing. It's better than the opposite. Hansman, good morning. Gio, welcome. Blue Steel. I'm going to remind you guys throughout this stream. We have a Discord right now. If you want to continue trading post-stream with the greatest community on YouTube verified, make sure you jump on the Discord. It's in the pinned message. And it's for all you guys. It's a Christmas gift. Christmas has come early. And I could tell you guys have just filled it with memes. You guys just... Right when you open, just fill it with memes. That's what I expected. Add it to description. Yes, I will. Decent bull bar. First bar of the open. Okay, some follow through here. Let's see here. I personally would like for it to come back to test this, but it's kind of rare for the market to gap up and just continue to go up without some sort of pullback here. If you guys are just joining, welcome. Hope you had an amazing weekend, everybody. Hope you guys are ready to do better this week than you did last week. That's the goal. We're going to be more disciplined this week. We're going to read the price action better this week. We're going to recognize the market cycle more accurately this week than we did last week. We're going to manage our risk better this week than we did last week. Gab said, want to hear a fun fact? I had my PA. I was up 450. Decided to take a small scalp to round it up to 500. And after a couple bad decisions, it blew up. Let's go. Losing $1,500 for $50 trade. Man, oh man, oh man. I've been there. I've definitely been there. That hurts. That hurts. It's just kind of going up. It's just going up. Do I just want to buy here? It's really hard to tell, really early to tell what's going to happen if I just buy here, to be honest. We could be at top of a big trading range, easily. Okay. Looks like people are selling up here. Lou says, lost my PA last week too. We'll get it back though. I mean, it's really nice. Sorry, I didn't mention this, but I should mention this now. Apex is doing a special promo to the end of the year. You only need 1 day of trading to pass an eval. That means you can go all out and just pass it in one single day to get a PA. Hey, it's cool. It's nice. Why not? Why not? It's pretty nice, especially if you have the 50% off resets. That's going to make things really nice for you, especially if you have the larger account sizes. All right. 3 bull bars in a row. Eventually, you're going to start buying somewhere. I'm going to lie. I'm going to refer to the 2000 tick chart just for a second here. This looks really wedgy. It looks really toppy. It looks really like you have an ascending wedge like this. Typically, this reverses. This is a reversal pattern. It shouldn't look like this if you want to have a strong bull trend. Kellyanne says, safer to get the 150K and only trade 3 to 6 micros. Wow, all right, that's really good trade management. I would say that's really safe actually. Your margins are basically 5,000 with the 150K.
10,000 tick trap.
25K count, 4 contracts. Let's go. YOLO every trade. It's nice. It's fine to do that with PA or evals, but when it comes to PAs, that's when it gets hard. For some reason, something happens when you turn to PAs. For me, something happens when I get to Payout City. When I'm like 1 scalp away from Payout City, something just happens. Therefore, I'm punishing myself for that. Trading micros. It's not really a punishment. I love the micros. It's really fun, actually. It's making trading really fun again. I would say your first goal for PA, especially if you just started, is to keep it alive for a month. It's like it's the thing that you hear all the time, but you never take it seriously when everyone's like makes a video of what is the secret of becoming profitable. Or I wasn't profitable until I learned this one thing. And it's not a strategy. They completely just gloss over strategy. They just go straight to its risk management. But then it'd be nice to also know the strategy behind that risk management. But apparently, risk management alone makes the money. I mean, it's a combination of all things. That's why trading takes a long time to master. You have to master many things, and no single thing is easy to master. The secret of becoming profitable is to do a 9 to 5 job at Starbucks. That's the secret of becoming profitable. You'll never lose money that way. The way I've been trading recently, the last 2 weeks, really shows that strategy doesn't matter. I haven't really been trading a strategy. I've been doing Al Brooks style trading, which is not a strategy, but it's like there's no setup really, no strong setups. You just kind of go with the price action. I like to try to reduce it down to certain setups, which I should make a video about it soon, but I'll just be repeating everything Al Brooks is saying. Okay, 2000 tick chart showing a fail second entry long, perhaps. If we break the high of this candle, second leg up maybe. Weil says, I can't believe Michael Chin didn't call his new course a Chinstitution. Looks like he missed a great opportunity there. Ooh, fail second entry long on the 2000 tick may trigger.
$10,000 tick trap.
Hard to tell what's going to happen here. Are we in continuous uptrend here? I mean, it could have one more push up. It makes sense. But because I don't know for sure, I don't want to enter trade. If you guys missed it, I've talked about this this price action here. With the first 5 bars, you can tell that the rest of the day was most likely going to be choppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it's completely overlapping each other. Also, when you get like a big up, big down, that's also kind of tells you the trading range. Otherwise, you're pretty much, most of the time, it's going to be trading range day though. 60% of the time. Ooh, getting another push up. If we break the high of this bar, we may just fly up forever. Jeez. Okay. Okay. I don't know what's happening here. Bulls and bears are fighting. What I think is gonna happen, no conviction right now. All right, completely overlapping, making it confusing. Doji bar, okay. Hmm. I need like a a reaction of something. We're still like we're basically in breakout mode. Huh. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Maybe worth doing an inside bar trade here. $2,000 tick chart, quick look. Absolute trash still, right? Trash. Checking the trash status is still trash. I could be trying to go short on top of trading range, but I think this is inside bar. And I think we're going to go down here. If we break the bottom. If we break the top, I'll be going long. Whichever way we break. I want to go with limit orders, though, because sometimes the price action doesn't happen on the Emini. I want to make sure the Emini has the same price action, right? The MES and the ES are actually different instruments. The way they even themselves out is through arbitrage, right? They're derivatives of each other, but okay, okay, okay. All right, gotta wait. Gotta wait. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Break the low of the previous candle. It's an OI pattern. It's one of the setups that Al Brooks talks about. Okay. It doesn't broke beneath the previous candle's extreme or low. Wait, I'm trying to time this perfectly. Okay. Wow. All right. I mean, this is the smallest, teeniest range ever. Okay. What? All right. I'm going to enter short here. The moment we break the low here.
$10,000 tick trap.
Try and get in. Inside bar, OI pattern. A 1-to-1. Perhaps trying to fill the gap. It's a 1-to-1 trade here. Right, OI pattern is outside bar, inside bar. What is an inside bar? Basically, when the entire range of a bar is inside the previous bar's range, that's called an inside bar. And basically, it just means breakout mode. All right, on a smaller time frame, this is creating some sort of triangle, some sort of coiling, something, and you try to take advantage of it on the 5-minute chart. Try to break out. And the trade is easy, right? It's simple to set up. You basically just go short if it breaks the low. I would have gone long if it broke the high, and basically I will put my stop on the other end, and I will get out. Because if it hits your stop, you know, two things. Your premise is wrong by two ways. It's either it's gonna reverse, right, be a failed breakdown, or it's gonna get choppy, continue to chop you up. Either way, you just get out. It's a 1-to-1 trade. And your risk reward is 1-to-1. Fail second entry long on the 2000 tick just triggered, which is good for us. Or good for me, at least. So this is the Emini 5-minute. This is the MES 5-minute.
10,000 tick trap.
They're gonna be slightly different because they're different instruments. But for the most part, they're gonna be the same. It's probably because you're looking at the Emini 5-minute. This is the MES micro 5-minute. They're pretty much the same. It's gonna be little differences here and there, but they're pretty much the same chart. But I've seen the micro be off like a whole point from the mini. I've seen it, especially on crazy volatility. Crazy volatility, it'll easily happen. Not easy, but it can definitely happen. Just waiting for my setup to finish here. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. On to the next. It's looking pretty decent though for me, I think. Roberto Evans, what is the commission on the micro? What is the commission? Let me Google that for you. My trade is looking like it's going sideways here. It always changes, so I gotta keep up to date for myself. So the micro, MES, $0.61. So two round trip is $1.22. So it's about to make a two-leggy on the 10K. Yep. It could make a two-leggy pullback on the 10K chart, which could break this trade. You may want to reverse your trade and go long if you like the long premise. Fail second entry long about a trigger on the 2000 tick. 2000 tick is absolute trash though. If you look at it, it's absolute trash. Still trash. Has been. Always will be. Jeez. I have great hostility towards the 2000 tick. I don't know. I don't know if it's a proper time frame to use. If you're going to use 2000 tick, you got to... Okay, I'm sorry for anyone who uses it. I don't want to discourage you. Alright, this is gonna break me here. It actually breaks the other side, which makes it look like it's gonna take me out here. Right, basically it's a failed breakdown. That could be enough reason for you to get out of the trade, to be honest. Thinking, okay, my premise is probably wrong here. It's breaking the other side of this inside bar. And it looks like I'm wrong here. Ooh, definitely wrong. Always in long here, looks like. People just bought. People just bought like crazy right there. Doesn't take me out. Like 95% chance doesn't take me out. I might reverse my trade here, huh? Maybe always in long here. Oh, slippage. That darn slippage. 2 ticks of slippage. Gotta hate that. 2 ticks of slippage right there. That was an inside bar trade setup. It's not the most reliable, to be honest. It really isn't. We're really breaking up here, though. I think this could turn always in long. It's a nice bull bar. I should have reversed my trade there, huh? Second entry long triggers on 10,000 tick. We're about to break the previous candle's high on the Globex. Right, here's a Globex high. We may break that high soon. Huh. Big mama trade, essentially. Sorry, I was muted. Big mama trade. I will buy again if it's a strong bull bar. In the strong bull bar, I'm buying. Buying the close. You saw this is buy the close bar here. I don't think the bulls are scared at all here. Oh, ends right where I opened. I really want to enter again here. Exact same spot. I don't think it's worth. Basically, I've entered always in long right here with my trade already. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Josiah says, good luck with the inside outside. Yeah, I mean, it's not a high probable trade. You gotta basically get some good risk reward there. Marcus Vaughn says, I requested a payout this past Friday. As of this morning, the request is still pending. Do y'all know how long it takes Apex to approve a payout request? If you did it earlier, then how'd you do payout request past? Oh, past Friday. Okay, I get it. Wait till the 20th, I guess. Basically says like if you don't hear back from them until like the end of the month, then don't send a message. Don't send them a ticket. Congratulations. Hansman, no reply yet. Your first request, anxious. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right, going up here. Maybe I'll buy again if we end in a strong bull bar. Okay, coming up. Kind of looks like, trading range. It comes back down here. It looks like it wants a trading range. That's what it looks like and feels like. All right. Looks like not much follow through here. Or I could be wrong. This game kind of choppy, a little dicey, if I don't say so myself. Bull bar. Slight bull bar. Always in long? Maybe? People just bought that bar here. You can tell this was always in long. I should have reversed my trade. Knowing the traders are always in. People, they went long here knowing, right? They all came in long right there. All knowing at the same time to go in. I should have switched my gears. Or maybe I should even waited for the setup. Thinking we're in an uptrend and with the inside bar, expecting this just to be a pullback. Huh. Okay. Just waiting. We're in a long trade here. Thinking always in long. Ooh, reverses pretty quickly here. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that reversal, that quick reversal down. Usually not a good sign.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay, break the low. The previous candle. Typically like these candles to finish before I do anything rash. I like the candle to finish.
10,000 tick trap. So the candle finish. If it's strong bear bar, I might just get out. Thinking most likely trading range. Starting to convert to a trading range more likely than anything else. I like the candle to finish though, first off. $2,000 tick priming itself up for a nice failsafe entry long, perhaps. All right, is that enough reason for me to get out of this trade? This bear bar is pretty decently strong bear bar. I think 2 bear bars I'll get out. Most likely come back down, make it some sort of trading range. Big push up, big push down. I'm going to take the fail second entry long on 2000 tick. 2000 tick looks like this. Potentially fail second entry long. I'm going to take it here. Even though it's absolute trash, I'm going to take it. Okay. Interesting. I don't know if I want to take it anymore. All right. Cool. Whatever that means. Coming back up. People who are always in long here maybe coming out break even. They're like just saying, yes, I'm glad it came back up so I can come out break even here. Some of the may ask, why are you trading the 5 minute? I think with the price action, the 5 minute is a good. I mean, one thing is Al Brooks uses the 5 minute, and I think you want to be trading the charts that where you feel like most of the traders are trading. And I will tell you for certain that 5 minute is widely adopted time frame. The 2000 tick is a niche time frame, or tick frame, whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna go long. If we end on a strong bull bar, I'm going long again. Goodness gracious. This is why you wait for price action to tell you to get out of the trade. Right, 2 bear bars, I would have gotten out, but bear bar, no follow through. What in the world is this? What is going on? Going long at the close of this bar? Why wouldn't I? Of course. Of course I'm going long at the close of this bar. It'd be crazy not to. Strong bull bar. Any near its high. On the uptrend. Looking for one more push up here. I'm simply not afraid. I am not afraid of anything right now. Unless a nuclear bomb hits Chicago and the servers go down. But other than that, I'm not really afraid of anything. If it's strong enough push down, I may think that the bulls who bought long here are just trying to come out break even at this point, right, with limit order sells, just trying to get out of their positions, thinking this may be too choppy for them. But I'm going to let the bars finish. Always let the bars finish here. This doesn't scare me. Does it scare you? It doesn't scare me at all. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of this super strong bear bar, even though I'm long. Double position. Doesn't scare me. Does it scare you? There's no way this is scaring me. Unfazed by absolute no follow through on that bull bar. Absolute no follow. You could tell they sold the close. Right? The moment it closed, they sold it. They sold the ask. Nothing like selling the ask right when you're long. It's not scary. Why would this scare me? There's nothing scary about this. I should just buy here, huh? I should just buy here. This is not scary. This is I'm very comfortable. I love this is being very comfortable. I'm in a very comfortable position right now. This is not scary at all. I mean, buying and right when you buy, the whole market decides to sell right where you buy it. Why would that scare you? That's not scary. It's not scary at all. Ah. Ooh. Oh boy. Okay. I mean, it's not the worst right now. It's not the best. It's not the worst. It looks like trading range. Even though we're going upwards, overlapping bars here, right? It's a set of overlapping bars. I personally think we have one more push up in this market. At least one more push up here. That's what I'm thinking. And then it'll create a wedge. And that's when you start to sell, in my opinion. Right, this is not a double top really. But really it's setting us up for a wedge looking type thing. Diamond cojones, pandas. Diamond cojones. Guess who is buying again? Oh boy. Do I want to buy this?
Kind of want to buy this again. Uh-oh. 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 All right, I'll just leave it alone. I'll leave it alone. All right, I'm a bit confused. I thought we were going to break through. I thought I was going to reverse. Basically go down and reverse off of that and keep going up. I thought I was going to have one more push up. I still think it might. I think it has enough for one more push up here, pandas. Basically create a wedge here. Then you reverse. Right, big push up, then 3 pushes up. You want that wedge. And with that wedge, you reverse off of it. No one said trading was gonna be easy. No one said trading is gonna be easy. Just wait, pandas. Diamond cojones for a reason. Whew. Come on. One more push up. I know you have it in you. I know you can do it. Right, what you have here right now is a spike in channel. Spike, right, big push up. Then it's starting to channel like this, essentially. And in the channels, typically, what, 3 pushes up. That's what we're looking for. Ah, pandas. Okay, look at the 2000 tick. It looks explosive. Doesn't it look like it wants to do something like this? Boom! Isn't that what it looks like? Doesn't it look like it's about to explode? That's what it looks like to me. Get ready, pandas. Get ready for the explosion. Should I have a runner? Should just come out my. Should just scalp out here. This looks like it's about to explode, pandas. Ooh! Ooh! What? That's it? Okay, if it ends on a strong bull bar, pandas, I might just buy again. Give me a strong bull bar. If it ends on a doji, it's gonna get very confusing. Ends on a doji. It's a doo-doo bar. It's a dooji bar. Ah, this is confusing, pandas. Right now it's getting very choppy, right? Big tails, big wicks.
You're thinking trading range starting to form here instead of really strong trend. It makes me feel like I just want to scalp out if I can. I just think it has more in it. That's such a small push up here, but I don't know, Pandas. It's a doo-doo bar. I'm waiting for an explosion, Pandas. It's boiling. It's boiling like YL stomach. It's the moments before the explosion. It's a calm before the storm. That's not good. That's not good. Ooh. I can come out break even whenever I want, Pandas, but I'm waiting for an explosion here. $2,000 tick chart, creating a trap trade to go long here. This is a trap or trigger on 2,000 tick. Waiting for the explosion. It's gonna be wild, Pandas. It's gonna be wild. But these wicks here, right? These tails and wicks, makes it feel like it's converting to a trading range. Not sure how high it's really gonna go if it does explode. So I'm just trying to keep my take profit pretty close. Just trying to get a scalp here. All right, these are like clear signs of trading range about to form. Why do I have a buy here? This 2,000 tick chart. That's where the trap will trigger. Ooh. Ooh. Pandas. We are in. It was nice knowing you guys. I'll see you guys on the moon. I'll see you guys soon on the moon. I'll see you guys up there soon. Hey, this is not the moon. What is this? This is not the moon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's an OI pattern. Right, it's an OI pattern again. OI. Breakout mode. If it breaks to the downside, this could reverse here strongly. Huh. If it breaks to the downside, I might abort this trade because it's a breakdown to the downside. Trading range. Yikes. I really wouldn't like to see it break to the downside here. Right, you got OI pattern here again. This time it might actually break to the downside. Huh. What to do? Abort the trade on the sign of reversal? Or diamond cojones? What do I do, pandas? Diamond cojones? Or abort the trade? Ooh, it's not good. That's not good. I feel it bubbling. And it's not a good thing. We want to get out of this trade. Seems like a reversal type setup here. Triggers to the downside. The reason why I don't want to let go of this trade is because I want to see if my channel holds up. My support here. And you got the 20 EMA also starting to rise up here. It's not looking good though. Also, we had tried the inside bar here. This one failed. This is a second attempt on the inside bar breakdown. And this is after a wedge too. 1, 2, 3 pushes up. The third push was very little. Very small push up on that third push. It's not looking good. I looked like it was building up a lot of energy to the break to the upside, to be honest. Now it looks like the energy, it might be going to the downside. Josiah says, just constantly reversing on me. Can't even get a point in some of these before it turns on me fast. That's not normal for what I do. Huh. Curious to see how it's going to react to my channel here. Technically it has 3 pushes up on this wedge. Man, that third push up was so weak. I don't know. I just didn't think it was going to be that weak. Strong bear bar may just get out. Strong bear bar. I may just abort this trade. I'm out. Taking the hit. I don't mind. Strong bear bar on that situation. I think on a reversal setup, it makes me want to go short rather than stay long. So I'm out of that trade. This could tumble here. Down $63. Sucks, but It's not the worst. It's it's just what can you do? It's a little too choppy for me. I should have noticed with all of the wicks here that most likely converting to a trading range. So it looks like it wants to come back down, create some sort of trading range somewhere. This could explode to the upside, maybe. Who knows? My channel holds. I also don't like the fact that we had 3 pushes up. 1, 2, 3 pushes up, creating a wedge. And then we got a reversal pattern here. I don't like any of that. So I'm going to just get out of the trade, even with a loss. Once you realize your premise is wrong, just be quick to exit. This could really drip here. Huh. I mean, we traded for like almost an hour and 15 minutes here, and not much has happened, to be honest. I just don't like how this looks, right? You got the OI pattern here, break it to the downside plus 3 pushes up, pretty much near a resistance, a major resistance area, and I don't want to stick around to find out. I'd rather just abandon the trade, enter a new one, especially if it looks good. Then we'll move on. Charles Wilson says, I would have gotten out earlier if it was a mini. Perhaps. I was 3 contracts into. I think that's a big reason why I wanted to get out earlier before it took out my stop here. Because 3 contracts is, trying to stick to the plan here. So 3 contracts is pretty heavy for whatever you're using.
10,000 tick trap.
Trap on 10,000 tick, 2,000 tick May trap. May trigger. I think I'll take it. That'll be my last trade of the day. 2,000 tick is showing a trap trade at 47.86 here. Gotta time this. In this trade. Last trade of the day. Here we go. So one more contract in there. 3-point swing. 3 points. 3 contract swing. Ooh. Okay, never mind. It actually doesn't trigger on a 2,000 tick. It triggered early on the MES, but not on the 2,000 tick. Wow, still hasn't triggered on the ES. There it is.
Okay. Cool. Always in short, right? The moment that candle finished, people just sold right away. You can see with the small wick here, people were always in short, buy, sell the close, and I tried to enter in with them, and was able to scalp out 3 points there. I'm still down a little bit, but made up some bamboo, and that was because I felt like we're entering more of a trading range than a trend at that point. Doesn't go very far. I scalped that perfect, pandas. I tick shotted the market. By the way, pandas, if you want to stay with the community after stream, make sure you join the Discord. It's for you guys. It's wide open to anyone on the channel. You guys can join. It's for free. Feel free to join. That's for you guys. So after the stream is done, you guys can join and keep talking about trades. Talk about whatever you want, to be honest. Talk about whatever you talk about on this chat. I will monitor it for basic abuse, like if you're abusing or bullying or something, then I'll obviously want to remove you if you're causing a disturbance or spamming. But for the most part, if you stay civil, it should be fine. Wow, I tick shotted that market. That's crazy. Seriously, tick shotted it. The reason why I put it here is because it was the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator. Right, you see this red line, this green line? You see, bro, why is it asking me to claim an account? Why can't I just log in? I'm not sure. Are you guys facing issues joining? Shouldn't cause a problem. I feel like today is going to be a trading range day today, pandas. Just from the price action here. We have all these wicks, big tails. It just doesn't seem like this market really wants to go anywhere. But with that being said, trading ranges could be quite large, and the movements in the trading ranges could be quite volatile. But just look out for the trading range, try to find the bottoms, buy low, sell high type day. And I hope you guys enjoy this stream. Make sure you guys join the Discord. We're gonna end the stream now, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. make sure you guys subscribe. There might be big news coming up when it comes to the 20K sub special. So please make sure you are on the lookout for that. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Hope to see you guys there. And with that being said, trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye. See you in the Discord.